need to have a balance. I'm very much a do it for me, do it with me type guy. So, you know, if there's an opportunity, I will just invest into great people, I will invest into great partners, I will just invest into people to always get the best packages and just do it for them, because it's about time. And then what I focus on are the things in the business where I'm really good, I really enjoy, it doesn't take up even that much of my time, and that's more like relationship building, raising joint venture funding. But yeah, I think whatever you do, certainly when we're talking about deals, and today has been about deals, then a done for you and done with you solution is definitely going to speed up the process, definitely going to speed up the process. So yeah, thanks there, great show. We'll just take one more here. And then we'll, you have your hand up as well, so we'll take two quick ones here.
Okay. I'm going to talk about the fact that you said it earlier, that there's some actions in yourself that you don't know you could activate or you didn't recognize. We're looking into the Oscar speech, and based on what I've written now, it gives me the impression that I can do more than I think. And having a catch up with Alan earlier during the break gives me an eye opener into a lot of things that is probably landing on my side that I couldn't recognize. So after today, I've got a lot in my brain, and much so I've been putting all those notes down just to know what to do next.
Great.
And how to
I love that. I love that. You feeling more inspired.
Yeah, I inspired.
And that's the thing, you don't know what you don't know, and that's why. And as you all get to know me and Jay even more, we've got a lot of new members here this year, as you spend more time with us and we really get to know you, deepen our relationships. I am such a sponge, you know, at 44 years of age, you know, people say, well, Liam and Jay, you're so successful, you've done this and this and this and this. That's all great stuff, but you're only as good as your last deal.